So recently Samsung launched the Galaxy A52s in India and its price starts at Rs 35,999. Now of course that seems way too much for a phone with Snapdragon 778G, which is the same chipset that you can get in a phone priced at 26,000 in the form of Realme GT Master Edition. As most of you might already know, Samsung is going to launch another phone with the Snapdragon 778G named the Galaxy M52 5G. Now since that phone is an M series phone, it will be priced lower than the A52s. There are reports of this phone to launch under 30,000 in India, so if that happens, then that would be a great pricing from Samsung. Anyways, today we got to know how this phone looks like, as the official renders of it were shared by MySmartPrice.com today. These renders show that this phone looks very different than the A52s, at least from the back. As we can see, the phone has a textured back panel with vertical lines, so this is not only going to help in reducing the fingerprints on that plastic back, but also going to help in getting a firm grip on the phone. The display on the front has a single hole punch cutout which is there in the center, and the bezels seem to be pretty minimal. Now these are just renders, so that might not be the case with the actual device. As for the cameras, there is a triple camera setup on the back instead of a quad camera setup that we saw on the A52s. Finally, the fingerprint scanner is on the right side and not under the display. So that was all about the design of Galaxy M52 5G. In case you forgot the specifications, the phone has a 6.7-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. There is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, and the phone also supports 11 5G bands. Speaking of the three cameras on the back, there is a primary 64 megapixel sensor, a secondary 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a third 5 megapixel depth sensor. So it looks like there is no dedicated macro camera on this phone, something that was there on the Galaxy M51 of last year as well. The Galaxy M52 will launch in two storage options, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. For expanding the storage, there is also a micro SD card slot. Just like the Galaxy A52s, the Galaxy M52 5G will have a 15-watt adapter in the box. Now the battery size is not yet confirmed, so we cannot say if there is the same 7000 mAh battery as in the Galaxy M51 of last year, or Samsung has reduced the battery capacity to 5000 mAh. So yeah, that was all about the Galaxy M52 5G. Samsung is still silent on the launch, so we don't exactly know when the phone is launching in India. But it is expected that the launch is happening this month only. What do you think the price of Galaxy M52 should be? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.